I know a little from the fact that my father served in World War II, but he didn't really see the camps. His role was in the Army Air Corps, which later became the Air Force, and so he was on planes doing communications. And later on, I would find out from my uncle, well, at least one of my uncles, that he actually participated in the liberation of Dachau. And part of that had to do with him knowing Yiddish and his commanding officer knowing that he knew Yiddish. So he was tapped on the shoulder and recruited to go in there.
What did he tell you about that?
Well, it's one of the very few times where his composure broke. What he saw and what he remembered was with him the rest of his life. And one of the stories that he relayed had to do with a survivor asking him to please, if it's at all possible, to please let his brother in Brooklyn know that he's alive. You know, Brooklyn's only a borough with 2 million people, but that notwithstanding, the communication went from the camps to my grandfather, and somebody wrote a letter to the brother, and the brother wrote a letter back to my grandfather expressing appreciation, asking if it's possible somehow money could get to his surviving brother. I, in fact, have that letter that corroborates what was, you know, largely an urban, a family mindset, legend story, or whatever.